Captain! We've got trouble!
All you see in the papers is Blackbeard this and Blackbeard that. Well, meow, you'll see what I can do. Let me give you a sneak preview of tomorrow's big news story. The famous Vice Admiral Garp led a team of promising young elites in an attack on Pirate Island. They attempted to rescue Captain Kobe, the hero of the Navy. But then the fourth ship captain of the Blackbeard Pirates struck, and they bowed before him. The great Avalo Pizarro